Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find the source of an extension in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch your Chrome. Step 2. Look for the puzzle piece icon located next to the address bar. Click on it to access your extensions. Step 3. Find the extension you want to explore further and click on the 3 vertical dots located next to it. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, choose the Manage Extension option. This will open the extensions management page. Step 5. On the extensions management page, scroll down until you find the source section. Here, you can view the source code of the extension. That's it. You've successfully found the source of an extension in Chrome on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.